Hello kids, how are you? Kids, today we learn 2D shape drawing. Circle, triangle, pentagon, star, square, semicircle. Let's learn color shape kids, let's learn. Wow! Purple color, red color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, triangle, orange color, semicircle, wow, beautiful colors, baby. Sky blue color, circle. Wow, beautiful drawing kids. Circle. Red color. Star. Star. Green color, square. Beautiful colors name kids. Green color. Wow. Square. Purple color, pentagon. Wow, beautiful colors kids. Pentagon. Kids, video like and subscribe please. Thank you so much for watching. Tata.